Welcome to Recipes for 7 Life. I am so excited because my friend Lisa Ludwig from Shakespeare in the Park is here. And Lisa, what are you helping us make today?
Well, we're going to make pretzel turtles.
Okay, I like turtles.
Okay.
Tell us how you made them.
They're very difficult. You take a pretzel, you put it on a pan, you unroll a Rolo. This is the hardest part about the recipe. It's time consuming. It's very time consuming. It really is. So you unroll the Rolo, you put the Rolo on. You preheat your oven to 300. You put the Rolos and the pretzels in the oven for about 4 minutes, maybe 5.
Okay.
Just to make sure that the chocolate is soft.
Okay.
When it comes out, then you take a topping of your choice.
Which I love these.
We have pecans, we have almonds, and we have M&Ms. You just smush it in the top, and you let it cool in the fridge, and then you have a tasty treat.
Don't you love how she made it sound so extravagant?
It is.
What made you choose this dish?
It's the only one I can make. And that is true. Anybody watching this knows it's true.
And why? Because you're busy.
Sure. We're going to say
yes.
We're going to say it's because I'm busy.
You're busy because you do what, Lisa?
I do theater. I run Shakespeare in Delaware Park. We just closed our 49th season. And then Curtain Up, which is the official opening of the theater season, is September 13th. There are 11 plus shows to go see, a great kickoff cocktail party at Shays, which you can get tickets to before the shows, and a free street party with entertainment.
Listen, and you get Lisa. I'm so excited I got to hang out with you. So you need to head over to your local Tops and get all of these fun ingredients, because these are fun things that we can do with the kids. I know back to school, school is back in session. We can have some fun with the kids. So head over to wkbw.com/7life to get this recipe and to learn more about Lisa. Here, take one.
Oh, thanks. I do. I like the M&M ones.
Ooh, I love them. Recipes for 7 Life would like to thank Close Mentor.